Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last 2-3 days. We didn't post video presentation for the last 2 days due to some reasons, and as a follower you know that we were staying completely on the buying side in this new contract. We started buying when the price was around 4,400 and the price went near 4,580s, and after that we had a consolidation. Still we maintained our buying position and the price went near 4,620s, and yesterday the price fell down and closed near 4,520. So what we can do today, it is expected to open somewhere near 4,500 and 510 for today. So it's as you know that the crude oil is staying very positively on the buying side, but now here there is a sort of confusion whether the price can come down for a correction. So it's quite a difficult area for traders. Still we expect crude oil will maintain its buying strength. But we need to be a bit cautious in buying. If you are a conservative traders, wait for the price. Let us wait for the price to come near 4,460s, maybe the 23rd low, and then we can go for buying till 4,400 by placing stop loss near 4,390s. So this is going to be a strategy. We cannot go for selling. Still we expect that crude oil will stay on the buying side. So depend upon the fund you have in your trading account, you can buy till 4,400 by placing stop loss near 4,390s. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.